Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to delete WhatsApp chat permanently. First of all, to delete a particular WhatsApp chat permanently, all you have to need hard press on the chat to select the chat and then just tap on this delete icon, and also delete media received in this chat from the device gallery. Check this option and just tap on delete chat, and the particular chat will be permanently deleted. And to delete all chats at once, all you have to need from your WhatsApp home screen, tap on this three dot, tap on settings, tap on chats, and here tap on chat history and just tap on delete all chats. Tap on delete chat and all of your WhatsApp chats will be permanently deleted from your WhatsApp app. And now if you have backed up your WhatsApp chats in your Google Drive or in your phone internal storage, here's how to delete them. To delete WhatsApp backup from your internal storage, go to your file manager and go to internal storage, and here open Android folder and open media folder. Open com.whatsapp folder, open WhatsApp again, and here open database folder, and under this database folder you will find all of your WhatsApp backed up files. Now just tap any of them and then tap on all to select all of them and just tap on delete all, move to trash, and all of your WhatsApp backup files will be permanently deleted from your phone internal storage. And now let's see how to delete chats from Google Drive. So go to your Google Drive app and tap on your profile photo and make sure to select the Google account in which Google Drive account you backed up your WhatsApp chats. Now tap on this hamburger menu and just tap on backups, and here you will find all of your WhatsApp backup files. Now just tap on this three dot next to the specific backup and just tap on delete backup, delete, and the WhatsApp backup will be permanently deleted. So this is how we can delete WhatsApp chats permanently. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.